RedSheep Shop Fitting is one of the largest shop fitting manufacturers in eastern China, dealing in the field of supermarket shelving since 2000. We have various products with reliable quality, big load-bearing capacity, and anti-corrosion reasonable structure, conveniently assembling and dismantling. Optionally combination, we offer 2 years warranty for all our products. Our shelving has been widely applied to different supermarkets, all kinds of department stores, and have been well accepted by our customers all over the world. With the senior engineers with over 20 years of experience in the shelving industry, the professionally trained staff, qualified manufacturers, quality control system that you can trust, RedSheep can supply guaranteed good quality products for our customers all over the world, with attractive prices and total satisfactory services. We got the necessary certificates for our customers, including ISO, TUV. Also, we'd be working together with our customers to work out the best solution for design, transportation, packing. We're mainly dedicated to supermarket shelving, including 3 main activates: design, fabricating, and supplying. You can get the benefits as listed below, but not limited to: technical assistance of customers' primacy, the supply of shelving and the design, manufacture spare parts, reasonable prices, total satisfactory services, short lead time within 20 days, producing ability 40,000 pieces for a month.